What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Big D. We back with another video. You know what I'm saying? I heard checking on the dogs. We got your boy. He the growing up, y'all. Check him out. Check him out. Let's screw the shit. You know, it's raw and uncut over here. You know what I'm saying? I'll let you know. Made my backyard, buddy. I'm a big girl. I know y'all gonna say something about her eye, but we giving her made for that. We giving her made for that. We got a special guest, y'all. We got a little man in the back. That nigga is the size of a phone. Yeah, got my boy in the back. Introduce y'all to my partner, Nick. This is a micro bully. You know what I'm saying? He just got the thing. So basically, we're going to be combined. We're going to have micro bullies and them big boys, y'all. So I'm going to drop his name and everything in the video. So y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and go over there. Show my boy some love. You know what I'm saying? Got them big dogs going crazy right now because they don't even know what it is. And we got my boy Ball that don't even ball.
They too big now.
What y'all think about him? I fuck with him. I fuck with him. That motherfucker nice though. He do look harder when his ears go up though.
That's why I said. No. You said loud for no reason.
That motherfucker gonna open up in a minute.
Huh?
If she hit it too hard, it's gonna open up. It is. If she hit that latch. Yeah, she got that kind of so bolt coming out of her mouth.
And look at him.
He was barking for a minute now.
You chilling. Come on.
Tell me what y'all think about it, man. I fuck with it. I'm thinking about going to get me one.
Now how the fuck you got?
And he goddamn 7 months old, y'all.
Mike, 7 months. We working.
I like this nigga eyes though.
That nigga eyes so pretty. Come here. You think you finna go back in that house?
He said he fuck with them big dogs.
You see yourself in the mirror.
Simba, watch yourself. Watch your man. Watch. Simba say, I watch these niggas. I ain't watching no dog. Tell him what you name the dog, man. Tell him what you name the dog.
Come here. Oh, snap.
He a fat old.
Right, 5. Carlo.
I'm gonna drop his address in the comments so y'all go know where to go get it.
He ain't gonna drop no address.
No,
He gonna drop that. Look, sorry, y'all. I'm gonna put it on camera for you. He ain't dropping that, but he gonna drop this right here. See the top of that? Y'all go subscribe, man. I ain't posted a video yet, but it's coming, and more gonna come. Come here. I ain't gonna lie for it. If I get another girl, it's gonna be bad.
That's your fat old. That boy like a 6-week-old puppy.
Man.
Simba. Boy, trying to get you another. Chill, calm down. Don't bust out of there now. Chill.
Hey, wait, baby.
Trying to get you another cage.
What you gonna wait? Like, what more? How many more weeks on him?
I'm probably gonna get another one probably next week.
I'm talking about how many more weeks you gonna wait till.
Oh shit! Whenever he try, he ain't tried yet. He ain't number 7. He just turned 6 months.
Okay.
Yeah. So by the time she come and heat again, he'll be ready. Yeah. I ain't never heard that man ball. He don't never ball. But this is it for the video, man. We just want to introduce y'all to my guy, Michael Bully. And we're going to have more videos coming soon. All right.